Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdinand Nusadi from Management Strategy Program 23D, and my NPM is 234111069. Would like to explain the material on management and organizational aspect. And management and organizational aspect. Management aspect. The management aspect in a business feasibility study is an inseparable part of several study aspects in a business feasibility study report. It is important to analyze the management aspect in a business feasibility study because it can be used by business people to make appropriate and effective decisions, and as well as to make the company more effective and efficient. Organizational aspect is the organizational aspect in a business feasibility study aims to determine an appropriate and effective organizational structure which will influence the company performance and achieve the desired business goals. And management and organizational aspect. Management aspect include number 1, planning. Planning is the process of the setting goals and the determining strategies steps to achieve them. And number 2, organization. Organizationing is the process of arranging resources and take in tasks so that organizational goals can be achieved effectively. And organizational form is a line organizational or organizational STR structure with the direct lines coming from superiors to subordinates. And B, functional organization is an organizational structure that divides tasks based on certain function or skill. And C, organization of line and staff is a combination of line organization with expert staff providing advice to management. And management and organizational aspect is the joint organization is an organizational structure that combines several organizational forms to increase flexibility. And A, metric organization is organizational structure with 2 or more lines of authority are often used in large projects. And number 2, implementation or activity is implementation is the process of carrying out plans by directing, motivating, and coordinating organizational members. And number 4, supervisor or control is monitoring is the process of evaluating performance, comparing it to standards, and taking corrective action in necessary. And analyze management and organization aspect study, and you can follow the steps. And number 1, start by finding a business idea. Conduct more in-depth research using scientific methods. And number 2, evaluate project business that will be established and project that will be built using quantitative or qualitative standard or criteria. Number 3, gather data from relevant sources such as financial reports, business plan, and information about market and marketing. And number 4, analysis and interpretation of the data that has been obtained using methods such as SWOT analysis, Pestle analysis, or Porter's 5 force analysis. And number 5, make conclusions from data analysis and interpretation by identifying management or an organizational aspect that influence business feasibility. And number 6, make recommendation to make change or take certain action to correct discover problems. Number 7 is create a business feasibility study report that explains management organizational aspect that influence business feasibility, as well as solution to correct problems found. And number 8, implement the solution provided in the business feasibility study report and proceed to make necessary changes. And number 9, monitoring business feasibility after solution implementation to ensure that the implement changes are successful and long-lasting. An example of the application of organizational and market aspect. In a manufacturing company, the organizational structure is divided into several divisions to optimize each operational process. The CEO is the main leader who is responsible for the company's strategic decisions. Under the CEO, there are several directors who oversee each division: production division, marketing division, finance division, and human research (HR) division. Each division has a manager who is responsible for the operation of their team. Conclusion is management organizational aspect in a business feasibility study are important to analyze because they have a big influence on the sustainability and effectiveness of the business apart from determining potential problems in the business. This aspect also help in choosing the right and effective organizational structure. And okay, thank you for your time. I'll need here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.